Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to show my process of making the art prints. I'm just adding some final details to this design. And here are the final designs. I'm so excited to bring these to life on paper. Now, let's talk printing settings. I actually use two different methods. First, I can print directly from the photos of my art prints, super easy and straightforward. But for more control, I use Photoshop to fine-tune the settings and get the perfect print. So now, let's talk paper. I've been testing out different types to find the perfect fit. First up, I used plain paper just to test the colors. Next, I tried this cartridge paper with a cool texture. Then, I experimented with a few different glossy papers. This last one is definitely an improvement. The quality is better and it's thicker than the previous one. I'm liking the way this one's looking. And this is the final one I'm using for my prints. Thank you so much for watching. You can get your own print at my shop. You can find my shop link in description of this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you like this video.